Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today is about Kepler. So now I want to show you how to answer. An object has an average distance of 7.85 multiplied by 10 to the power of 7 kilometers from the Sun. What is its orbital period in years? So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about Kepler's third law in here. So in this one, we have b number 1 square over a number 1 to the power of 3 equals to b number 2 square over a number 2 to the power of 3. So let's say I choose this one for the Earth. So we know that, for example, we have the Sun in here, and this one that is about the planet. They go around the Sun. So B, that is about the planets. They go around the Sun and they finish about one eclipse in here. That is about B. That is about orbital period. The next one, A, that is about the distance between the Sun and the planet, and that is about A. So on the question, they want to find orbital period. So we know that A number 1, that is about 7.85 multiplied by 10 to the power of 7. About the Earth, the distance between the Earth to the Sun, that is about 150 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 kilometers in here. And we know that the orbital period of the Earth, that is about 1 year. Now we need to find about B number 1. So B number 1 equals to, so I will put A1 to the power of 3 go to here, multiplied by B number 2 square over A number 2 to the power of 3. Because we have the power 2 in here, so we can use about the square root for the both sides, so we can find about B number 1. And now we put the numbers going here. A number 1, that is about this one. So B number 2, we have number 1. This is number 3, sorry. One square in here. This one, we have 150 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6, and we have number 3. So we calculate this one, and we have 0.379 years. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.